Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the two pentalobe screws. You need a stable work area. Use a suction cup near the bottom and lift gently to create a small gap. Once done, slide a thin spudger into that gap to break the adhesive. Make sure to keep the display attached by the top ribbon cables. You will open like a book. This approach prevents stress on connectors and gives access to screws and brackets you'll remove next. You now remove internal brackets and screws in an organized layout. You'll see 3 or 4 main ribbon connectors. First, disconnect the battery to avoid shorts, then detach the display and sensor ribbons so you can fully lift the assembly. Once separated, carefully unscrew and transfer the earpiece, front sensor array, and any metal plates to the replacement glass. You must preserve orientation and torque order. Take photos as you go so reassembly matches the original layout, and work with tweezers for small parts. To finish, place the replacement glass, reconnect the display and sensor ribbons in their exact order, and reconnect the battery last to power things safely. Once connected, align the top edge and lower the screen, applying even pressure. Use clamps or small weights while adhesive sets. Power on and test touch, Face ID, camera, and sensors. If something fails, power down and receipt connectors, inspect for debris or bent pins, and make sure adhesive or metal shields aren't trapping cables. Replace final pentalobe screws to complete the repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.